Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fry fish with palm oil, step by step. First, ensure your fish is perfectly clean and completely dry. This prevents splattering and promotes crispiness. Next, season it well with your favorite blend of spices and a good pinch of salt. Finally, heat your palm oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, ready for frying. Now, gently lower your seasoned fish into the hot palm oil, being careful not to splash. Fry each side for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. Remember, do not overcrowd the pan. This helps maintain the oil's temperature and ensures each piece cooks evenly and perfectly. Once your fish is perfectly fried, carefully remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack set over paper towels. This allows any excess oil to drain away, keeping your fish wonderfully crisp. Let it rest for just a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly fried fish with your preferred accompaniments. For the absolute best results, always start with the freshest fish you can find. It makes a huge difference in taste and texture. Also, remember not to reuse your palm oil more than 2 or 3 times for frying to maintain flavor quality. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. And if you're looking to truly transform your financial perspective, you'll find a link to an amazing book there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.